First, consider the problem and using operator D. Using operator D, you will get d square y double dash stands for d square y plus 4y equals tan to x. Tan to x. Okay. Yes. Take y common. D square plus 4 into y equals tan to x. Auxiliary equation. M square plus 4 equal to 0. So m square equals minus 4 and m equals plus or minus 2i, because negative sign is there, it should be complex. So therefore here alpha equals 0, and beta equals 2. Therefore yc equals c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So this is the usual procedure. So once you get cos 2x and sin 2x, means after getting yc, therefore u equals cos 2x and v equals sin 2x. Yes. So now take this omega, consider omega. This implies omega equals determinant of u, v, u dash, v dash. So this is the formula of omega. So that is equal to, yes, u is cos 2x, v is sin 2x, and what is the differentiation of cos 2x? U dash.
Minus 2 sin 2x.
Yes,
Minus 2
minus
sin.
2 sin 2x, and differentiation of sin 2x is 2 into cos 2x. Okay, so this is substitution of omega. Now this is simple, directly you can multiply, otherwise see you can take common also. So how you can take common in determinant, just I will give you, because usually you should follow that as better, either in a column wise, okay, either in a column wise or in a row wise. Okay, anyway, either first row, second row, or first column, second column. If there is a common, then you can take it. Not from in this determinant, whole term, not no need to present any term. Okay, in the 4 out of 4. So here see 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. With respect to second row, you can take 2 common. Okay, otherwise you multiply as it is. Because this is very simple, it will be as it is. You can multiply. It will give the same answer. 2 into cos 2x into cos 2x is cos square 2x, and minus minus become plus 2 into sin square 2x. Okay, so now we can take 2 common. In determinants also you can take 2 common, like column wise or row wise. So cos square 2x plus sin square 2x. Okay, now what is the answer is 2. This is omega, because cos square 2x and sin square 2x answer is 1. Cos square 2x plus sin square 2x is 1. So this is omega. So finally we have this u. Okay, u, v. So if you want, you can rewrite again. U is cos 2x, v is sin 2x. I will write here u equals cos 2x, v equals sin 2x, and also r also you can write. R stands for RHS, or phi of x. So what is our problem? It is tan 2x. No, RHS is tan 2x. Yes, that is also your right idea. Yes. Now calculate a one by one. A equals minus integral of VR by omega. This is the formula. That is equal to minus integral of V. V stands for sin 2x, R stands for tan 2x, divided by omega is 2 and dx. So this 1 by 2 I can take outside, it is a constant. Then how to integrate? I think last class yesterday we solved one problem on sin x into tan x. Similar way will come. This can be written as sin 2x, you write as it is. Tan 2x can be written as sin 2x divided by cos 2x dx. So that become minus 1 by 2 into integration of sin 2x into sin 2x can be written as sin square 2x divided by cos 2x dx. Okay. Now again sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square, no? Minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 minus cos square 2x divided by cos 2x into dx. So that become, you can split the denominator, minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by cos 2x minus cos square by cos 2x means you will get cos 2x. Okay. So you can, if you split the denominator, you can cancel. Or if you want, you write that one more step. This is cos square by cos 2x, no? Okay. First step, we will split the denominator. Now this gives minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by cos is secant 2x minus 1 cos cancel, you will get cos 2x. So this is the final term what we got, and it is ready to integrate. Okay. So like in a standard way we have to reduce. This is called simplification using basic formula or anything. Yes, now what is the integration? Anyone? What is the integration of secant x?
Log secant x plus tan x.
Yes, so same way, this is log secant 2x plus tan 2x. Okay, because the coefficient of x is 2, you have to divide by 2. This is the integration of first term. Minus, yes, what is the integration of cos x? Cos x integration is sin x. Is it right? Therefore, here sin 2x divided by 2. So this is the integration plus k1 plus k1. Or finally, either you can multiply or you can take common. I will multiply minus 1 by 2. Since I am multiplying negative sign, so minus become plus and plus become minus. So I will get like this, a equals finally plus sin 2x divided by 4, because 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 and minus into minus become plus, and first term become negative, therefore minus log of secant 2x plus tan 2x divided by 4 plus k1. That's it. Okay, this is a, see, one definitely one will be complicated only, and say this is a question paper problem for 7 marks. So same problem, see, tan x, it is also question paper problem. Previous last class we saw it. Now today it is tan 2x. That's it. They may give a small change. Yes. Now coming to one more is there, b. B, it will be simple only. B equals integral of ur by omega. That is equal to integral of Yes, u cos 2x cos 2x, r is tan 2x, omega divided by 2 into dx. So that become integral of 1 by 2 I will take outside, cos 2x into tan 2x can be written as sin 2x divided by cos 2x into dx. And here see cos 2x and cos 2x you can cancel, and what you will get, that is 1 by 2 into integral of sin 2x dx. So that become, yes, what is the integration?
Minus cos 2x by 2. Cos 2x by
Minus
2.
minus
Cos 2x by
yes. Integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus k2, or b equals minus cos 2x divided by 4 plus k2. So this is a and b. So finally y equals, therefore y equals au plus bb. So just you write it. Therefore the complete solution, the word you can write. Therefore the complete solution y equals au plus bb.